Here's something to do before your next party. Take a disc of paper or thin card and fold it in halves, and then fold it in thirds. Now you'll end up with something that's almost a triangle. You need a sharp pair of scissors and a very steady hand, and make about 6 cuts down one side, almost through to the other side, but not quite. There we are. I've made 3 of them. You then turn it over and make cuts between the first series of cuts, going almost back to the side from which you started. Now after you've done that carefully, you'll end up with a funny looking triangle that looks exactly like this. There we are, cuts going almost all the way through from this side, almost all the way through from that side. You then unfold it until you go back to the semicircle. First of all, flatten it out as best you can, and then unfold it so it goes back to a circle with lots of little lines running everywhere. Now if you've been careful, none of those lines will quite join, and you can now proceed to turn that into a party bell by holding the centre like this and stretching it upwards like that. And it'll take a minute or two stretching it to get it even. You'll end up with a party bell, and if you start with different colour cards, you'll end up with a whole lot of these. Hang them somewhere in the room where they catch the breeze, and they make a very pretty party decoration.
I want to know. Curiosity.